Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to sign up for a Zerion account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Google Play Store or your App Store, and in the search box type in Zerion and search. Download the Zerion app available in the search results. Look for this application over here and tap on the install or the download button to download the app first. Once the application is downloaded, tap on open. In the first interface of your Zerion wallet account, you have two options to begin with. If you've got an existing wallet, you can import it by tapping on add existing wallet and following the prompts. If you are new to Zerion and you'd like to start creating a new wallet now, tap on create new wallet. On the next page, set up a passcode to protect your wallet. Type in the passcode with the help of the keypads. And on the next page, confirm your password by re-entering it again. You can allow Face ID or Touch ID by tapping on Allow button for extra layer of security. Now, wait for a couple of minutes and you will then be able to create your Zerion wallet. Tap on Finish. And the next step is to back up your wallet. Tap on Backup button at the bottom right corner so that you can back up your wallet and secure your wallet and all of its funds. On the next page, you have two backup options you can use to back up your wallet. Either tap on iCloud Backup, or if you want to back up your recovery phrases manually, tap on Manual Backup. Backing up your wallet with the recovery phrase helps ensure you can access your assets even if you change your device or stop using Zerion. Tap the Got It button and click on the Show Recovery Phrase button in order to reveal your recovery phrases. Remember that you should not show or share your recovery phrases with anyone so that you don't lose access to your wallets and your funds. Tap the Show Recovery Phrase button to reveal your recovery phrase. You may also need to type in your passcode once again, and that way you will be able to see your recovery phrases on the screen. Write down these recovery phrases in the exact order on a piece of paper. You can also tap on the Copy to Clipboard button at the bottom and copy the recovery phrases on your clipboard. Now you can go ahead and open up any secure folder or apps. And then you can type down these recovery phrases or paste them down. After you are done writing down your recovery phrases, click on Confirm at the bottom and choose the word that corresponds to the number above in your recovery phrase from your backup. After typing down the recovery phrases or selecting them, click on the Finish button and you will then be able to back up your wallet. You can cross by tapping on the cross icon at the top left and get back to your wallet. And there you have your new wallet ready. So that is how you easily sign up for Zerion in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us.